Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find negative keywords in AdWords, and I'll give you my top tips on how and when to use them to help you save budget and to get better results in your Google Ads campaigns. Hey, I'm Richard Cruz. I'm the founder of WSI Priority Media. The purpose of this video and every video that I do is to help your business thrive. There is more than meets the eye when it comes to negative keywords. The biggest mistake that I see in Google Ads campaigns is that people do not use negative keywords, or they set them up at the start, but they fail to keep up with them and weeding them out as the Google Ads campaign learns and it starts bringing more and more keywords into the campaign. To peek in your account and to see negative keywords, let me show you real quick where you go. So I go to the campaigns, and inside of the campaigns, I search for my keywords. When I search for my keywords, I like to sort by cost, and I like to find out where I'm spending, what keywords I'm spending in, and I like to start scrolling down this list right here and looking for any problems, anything that does not belong in here. And so this is kind of my intermittent going in and searching and keeping an eye on things to make sure that they're healthy. And then the negative keyword list that we want to keep an eye on is over here, where you can manage your keywords at the account level, or you can manage it at the campaign level, but they're all listed right in here. So what you do is you go into all campaigns, you go into campaigns, and you go into negative keywords to be able to find where your negative keywords are at. So one thing that you want to make sure that you are really keeping an eye on is, let's say that you are a swimming pool contractor. And let's say, for example, that you have a campaign going and you'd like to show up for Google searches for pools, swimming pools. And if it's not set up correctly with the negative keywords, a searcher hits your ads, and then when searching for, say, a pool table, that is not what you want. So improve your campaign quality with adding negative keywords. So in this example, the word table, it would be a great negative keyword, for the pool contractor. So to help you with negative keywords, what I've done is I've included a link at the bottom of this video here that you can use to access my own universal negative keywords list. It's 1,000 negative keywords that every campaign should have baked in and built into it. Take a look at it, of course, and see if any apply to you. You can add a little to it. You can subtract from there, but it's 1,000 of the most popular keywords that will get your campaign off to a really strong start. It's totally free. Just click on the link and grab a copy for yourself. It's going to help keep your campaign healthy and avoid having you pay for unprofitable clicks like free or cheap or 998 others that are in there. When you're using Google Ads negative keywords, you also use modifiers to give Google more specifics on the negative keywords that you don't want shown. So examples, when you've got brackets like this here, that's your exact match. When you've got quotations, you've got your phrase match. When you've got, your pluses, they represent a modified broad match. If there's no notation at all, that's a broad match, and then minus symbol, before a keyword is your negative keyword, obviously. So use all of these as you're optimizing your campaign, and especially make sure you keep a really, really close eye on, which keywords that you're going to negative out of there. So finally, you might want to organize these keywords by themes. They're like by different products or services that you offer. You can have up to 20 negative keyword lists in your account, and you can have up to 5,000 negative keywords per list. Once you create your negative keyword list, you can apply that list to whatever campaigns that you want. Once they're at their account level, then you can specify where you want them. And then later, if you need to add new negative keywords to those same campaigns, you can just add it to the negative keyword list, and then just the change applies to all the campaigns that share that list. I hope this information has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe so you're alerted of any future trainings. I look forward to seeing you again on the next one.